What's up, webworkers? Amar here, and in today's video we're going to talk about my top three tips to boost affiliate commission. So of course, if you're doing any kind of digital marketing, affiliate marketing, network marketing, you are trying to make commissions or boost your commissions. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. I'm going to show you how to use the lead magnet itself to boost my commissions, and then I will talk about the process of building a list and how exactly I can tweak something to make more commissions, and the third tip is using bonuses. So before we start with the three tips, let me ask you kindly to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Also, you can like the video and put a comment in the comment section. I'll be back personally to answer or to discuss that comment. So anyone that is doing some kind of affiliate marketing online has to build a list, an email list or a prospects list. So this is the most important asset that you can build, and during that process you will be giving away lead magnets, some kind of content like videos or ebooks or graphics or something like that. And what I do usually is that I include my affiliate links inside the lead magnet itself. So inside the ebook or the report or the article or a graphic, I will try the most to put my affiliate links there or links to my websites. So with time, those links will send you more visitors to your website. So as you can see here, this is a report of 59 pages, but you can see the most I go to the bottom, the more links there are. So after when I turn this to a PDF document and then give it away, those links will bring me visitors and maybe commissions. So this was the first tip to boost the affiliate commissions, is using actually the lead magnet itself. Second thing, we're going to use the list building process. So usually when we build a list, we are using a funnel which has at least 3 pages. The first one is the squeeze page, where you explain what exactly the prospect will be getting if they subscribe to your list. The second page is the download page, where the prospect will download his freebie after he opts in. And the third page, which is in the middle, is the one we call it the thank you page, and also we call it the bridge page. It's that page when a customer or a prospect puts his email address in the field and then clicks the subscribe button, he will be brought to a thank you page or a bridge page that will remind him to go ahead to his email and click on the confirmation link. So that page is called the bridge page or the thank you page. And what I do is that I use that same page to promote an affiliate offer. Because the prospect might be interested in that specific offer, might take action which will result in a commission. Like in this situation here, this is the squeeze page and this is the bridge page that I am using. So I'm using this bridge page here. I'm saying wait, and then there is an affiliate offer that is selling for $17. Let me go all the way down. So this affiliate offer is selling for $17, and if the customer buys, I will get an $8.5 50% commission. Well, in this situation, this is the bridge page in the funnel. So the second tip was using the list building process to make more commissions using the bridge page, and also you can put some ads on the download page itself. So when the customer goes to download his freebie, he might be interested in something else that you are promoting on the download page. Now let's check the third tip. We're using the bonuses to make more commissions, but before that, just let me remind you to like the video if you like what you see, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And the third tip, so using a bonus. So what I'm saying here to my visitors and my prospects, I'm telling them that if they purchase this affiliate offer through my affiliate link, I will give them a real value, which is a product that sells for $17. So he will be getting the $17 product for free if the prospect purchases the this product here, which is called Instant Profit Club. So this is the affiliate offer that I'm promoting. So if a prospect takes this offer and takes any upgrade with it, I will give him access to this product that costs $17. So this is the third technique. So even if sometimes you can find a customer that is not really interested in the main affiliate offer, but he will be interested in the bonus that you are offering, and he will purchase it just for that. So these were my 3 tips to boost the affiliate commissions. All the links mentioned in this video will be available in the description below. You can check them out there. And another thing is please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you will not miss any video that I'm releasing in the future. And have a great day, and see you on the next video.